This video will walk you through the proper steps for charging your Clarity plug-in hybrid, as well as the different charging options available to you. To begin charging your vehicle, open Clarity's charge port door. The release lever is located to the left of the steering wheel, or you may also use the button on the key fob. If using the Level 1 120-volt charger supplied with your Clarity, first plug into a grounded 120-volt home outlet with a dedicated 15-amp circuit. You should see the ready indicator on the control box illuminate. Next, or if you're using a Level 2 240-volt charger, insert the charger handle with the handle angled downward into the charge port located on the driver's side fender until the latch secures it to the vehicle. When the charger handle is properly secured to the Clarity, electricity will begin to flow into the vehicle, and you will see the indicator light inside the charge port change from flashing to steady. Note that if you have programmed charging to begin and end at a set time using Clarity's HondaLink app, Clarity may not immediately begin charging. For example, if you've programmed Clarity to charge during off-peak hours at home, say between 11 at night and 4 in the morning, Clarity won't begin charging when you connect it to a charger at 9 in the morning. You'll need to cancel your programmed charging times either within the HondaLink app or the driver information interface to allow electricity to begin flowing at a different time. However, the easiest way to override a programmed charge time is by simply pressing and holding the charge port door button on the key fob. You will see the indicator light inside the charge port change from flashing to steady. A Level 1 120-volt home charger will charge the Clarity in approximately 12 hours. A Level 2 240-volt home or public charger will charge the Clarity in approximately 2.5 hours. When charging is complete, or when you're ready to continue driving, depress the lever on the charger handle and retract the charger handle from Clarity's charge port. There are 3 convenient ways to charge your Clarity's battery: a Level 1 120-volt portable charger, a Level 2 240-volt in-home charger, and a Level 2 240-volt public charger. When you take delivery of your new Clarity plug-in hybrid, you'll be provided with a Level 1 120-volt charger. You may use this charger with any grounded 120-volt home outlet with a dedicated 15-amp circuit. This means that the outlet should be the only item on an electrical circuit that is protected by a 15-amp fuse or breaker. Level 2 240-volt chargers drastically reduce the Clarity's charge time to approximately 2.5 hours. These chargers are available for purchase for in-home use. Installation may require a licensed electrician, and you will need to contact your service provider for additional information regarding installation requirements. You may also be eligible for federal and provincial rebates to reduce your purchase price. Public or commercial Level 2 240-volt chargers are widely available and offer simple, cost-effective charging when away from home. Public charging stations are widely available, and new stations continue to be installed at a rapid rate across major Canadian cities. It's a good idea to top off your battery charge when you're close to a public charging station while at work or out shopping. The HondaLink app for Clarity plug-in hybrid makes it easy to find charging stations. It'll even provide directions. Find out more about this helpful feature in our HondaLink how-to videos. While there are some free public charging stations, most will typically require a payment method. You will need to scan or swipe your payment card on the charger station and follow the on-screen prompts before charging. Different charger stations may have slightly different on-screen prompts, but for the most part, they will inform you of the charging cost before instructing you to connect the charger handle to your vehicle.